Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In the workshop today I'm making a small feeding table for a squirrel that visits my garden. It's made out of plywood and I hope to fit it in the tree next to my patio door. So let's go to the workshop and see how we make it. This is the rear of my house. You can see the patio doors leading onto the garden, and on the left you can see a wisteria tree. But what I want to do today is make a small table that will fit in the tree so I can feed the squirrels. You can see here there's a little branch coming up, and the main branch of the tree is at the back here. And what I want to do is make a table that will fit on here so the squirrel can get up here easy to get to the food. I have this offcut of plywood, and I think that if I can fit it on this branch here, it should be safer for the squirrel. I'll start off on the bandsaw. I've just marked out here I want to cut this piece off, and then come in from here and come a line around to there. Just set the guard to the right height. Close this door. Now this piece of wood along the edge, I'll take that off. There's 3 screws holding it. I can use the screws again and use this piece of wood, which is a bit thicker. Put the screws back in. Well, that's fixed to the side. The next thing I need to do, I have a hole through there so I can screw that to the trellis. I need to put a hole in here to hold a plastic container, because if I just put the food on here, the wind will blow it off. I found this container should be ideal. So now use my biggest hole saw, biggest diameter, to cut through. The reason why I turn that round halfway through is so you get a nice edge on both sides. Because if I just went straight through, this one edge would be all rough. Now this is a tub I found. That'll fit in there. The next thing I need to do is make some holes in the bottom so that it doesn't fill up with water. Now I'll just screw this onto the trellis. screwing the last screw in. Put the dish in. That's ready for the squirrel. It took me a couple of days to train her that there was food in the cup. She's a bit nervous because I have the door open, filming about 2 foot away. Oh well, job done. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.